What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you about the water is not draining in the dishwasher and it stayed there and it's very nasty. It smells very bad. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. If you want to learn, watch until to the end. Let's start it. There is a lock and unlock position. You have to turn it to the unlock and pull it out. So at the end of the video when I put in back, you're gonna see better. So watch until to the end. There's a lot of trash, a lot of stuff in the water, so we have to clean all of them before do anything. So as you see, even Robert, I don't know what is that, I don't know. Just make sure when you want to wash the dishes, clean your dishes before you put it up. So we take everything, we take the filter out. As you see, it's very simple. After that, everything is gonna come out, and we have to clean the water, take the water out. So you can use the vacuum, but make sure you use the wet vacuum, like I using the wet vacuum. Make sure it doesn't have a filter, because this vacuum is you can use as a dry, but take the filter out. Or you can use the sponge. So it take a time, but it work. If you don't have vacuum, use the sponge to empty the water. We have to take all the screw out. I use a drill here, so be careful when you're using drill. If you're not comfortable with drill, use the screwdriver. So there is two screw here, and when I want to take it out, I saw there is one in the other side. So be careful, don't break the plastic thing. You see, it's hard to take it out. So I see there is the other screw in the end. There you go, it's hide here, so I have to take that one out too. Destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. Help the channel a lot. It's totally free. Just push the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Believe me, if you are as a homeowner or you are wanna be homeowner, all this problem in this channel I show you is gonna happen to you, because it's happened to me, it's happened to my other friend. They have a home, so it's gonna happen. So make sure subscribe to channel, hit the bell notification on, you don't miss anything in future. So you need to check the propeller is turning smooth. There's nothing that stopped it. There is no hair, no trash inside that. After we're done with cleaning, make sure you put everything back in the place, because I just forgot to put that ball one time. So make sure you put everything back in the place. In the top left corner is gonna pop the video. I will show you the, there you go, there is the drainage is coming from the dishwasher and is going to garbage disposal. That's a drainage. So you have to make sure that line is also clean. You have to take it out, sometimes blow the air to see if it's clean. So, and sometimes maybe garbage disposal is dirty, and the drainage under the sink is dirty. So I have another video I put in the description. I show you how to clean the garbage disposal and fix the jam garbage disposal. So make sure check that out. And so I'm gonna put everything back together and test the dishwasher. So let's start. I don't know you guys, you can see, if you see the flash, when you turn left it's gonna unlock that, and if you turn it lock, I'm sorry, if you turn it right it's gonna lock it. So that's the way you can lock and unlock that. So I'm gonna put that here, and you see it's fit, and I'm gonna turn it to the right, and that's gonna be lock. So we're good to go, everything in the place. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the dishwasher. There you go. So we tested dishwasher a couple times, and as you see there is no water in there. I am so happy it works. So it just has to be clean, and after that it start working perfect. So you guys can do it the same thing. So you don't need to call somebody to come charge you crazy to do that. So you can do it by yourself. Make sure subscribe the channel, turn the bell notification on, like the video. I see you guys to the next video.